Hey, so we're here at Universal. It is pouring.
Pouring rain. We have two big umbrellas. We're prepared this time. We just gotta see what we can do, I guess, in the rain.
Yep.
To help you guys. We're also gonna try to find the Annual Passholder Lounge. We haven't found that yet either.
No. But I think first we're gonna eat lunch at the Hard Rock, and then we're gonna head over to Universal. So we're going to try to get a seat. We don't have reservations, so we're going to try to get in. It is raining, so we're under the umbrella. Amber brought her own. So she looks like she's in a fishbowl.
Sounds like it too.
So we're going to see if we can get a seat. If not, we'll figure something else out. Okay, so it's like really loud. Amber got a pineapple lemonade.
Non-alcoholic.
With alcohol. Without alcohol. Shucks.
Why are you talking so loud?
I don't know. I don't.
Talking loud. I can hear you right here.
I don't feel like I feel like they're not gonna be able to hear me.
I can definitely hear you.
It's just loud as heck.
You wanna try it?
Oh, cool! Did you see this? It's a
sour.
So we'll link the video of our Hard Rock review down below.
But we are doing different things this time.
Yes.
Yeah, we did this last time. I'm just getting a club sandwich today. What did you get last time?
I got the amazing rack of ribs.
And then you're getting a half-pound cheeseburger, right?
Good Lord.
I was like, that's a big
They didn't have anything smaller.
Yeah, they did. They had a 3rd pound. They had the 24-carat one.
I'm not going to do... No.
Look at his face. You didn't want to do the 24-carat?
No. That's just a waste of gold.
Is it?
I would scrape it off and roll it up.
Try the drink. Don't. Nope. I didn't see you. Sour, huh?
It tastes like pineapple juice.
Yeah. It does taste like really lemonade. We're actually not in the Florida room, guys. We're in the
right there.
Yeah, the Florida room that we were last time is right there. We're in the main dining room because there's the pink Cadillac is right there, and the bar is over there. It got dark. It's dark by you. Ooh.
It's my aura that I send off to my audience.
Lies.
Hey, real quick too. We want to thank everyone for subscribing and watching and liking. And if you're watching this now, hit that button down below and hit that like button, that sub button, and that bell icon.
Yes, definitely, please. And we love all the comments. We're seeing so many comments and it's making us smile so big. We're just amazed by you guys. We're so thankful. We are blessed to have you guys in our lives. So hopefully we get to know you guys more.
Oh.
So we'll try to post more on Instagram as well.
Yep, and we'll link that down below and right here across the screen.
Yay!
What'd you get?
The club sandwich.
The club sandwich?
It took a while today.
Yep.
And you got the half-pounder.
I did. As we know, I am very picky. So, no vegetables for me. But we'll see after a while. So, besides your sour lemonade, how was everything else?
It was good. There was just like a lot of, I think it's chicken, right?
Chicken or turkey?
Well, yeah. There was a lot of turkey, like there's like 3 layers of turkey. So it was a little much, so you had to take a little bit out in order to take a bite. It was pretty good.
How's my cheeseburger?
Yeah.
It was awful.
No, I was just looking, there's nothing wrong.
It gone. No, it was pretty good. It was good. It was good.
For dinner, I'll probably get everything else again.
Probably get the ribs again. Okay, everybody. So we just came from over here. by guest relations. And we found the Passholder Lounge. It's only open to 4 o'clock, 11 to 4, every single day.
So if you don't get your pins here, we heard you can get your pins at the other park, at Islands of Adventure, where we were at Popeyes at in that store.
Amber, we're gonna miss the train to Hogwarts. She gone. So Amber,
Yeah.
I think you're really nerding it out with this Harry Potter stuff.
Mine would be like the little stuff.
So
I had no idea what this was.
we just left the candy shop. Great, now that's gonna be copyrighted.
No, it's not.
And what'd you get?
So we got butterbeer, frozen butterbeer, because I love it. I haven't tried the other one yet. But I got butterbeer, fudge. And also, if you buy 4, you get 2 free.
For 20 bucks.
Yeah. And Brian got a chocolate wand. And then altogether with our discount was $11
Something.
and change.
So for 20 bucks, we got 3 items. Why do I feel like we got gypped?
That's true. And we'll have to hold on to this bag for... Guys, guess what? We're having technical difficulties and stuff, but we were able to get... We might be able to go on Hagrid.
If it reopens.
Yeah, I know, because the wait was only like an hour and a half. And it's like a while before the park closes. So we're gonna be in line after this, so we're trying to hurry. Right, Brian? You want to try it first?
I don't like fish.
Then try your one.
I have to open it, so you try yours. Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna work.
You're just gonna have to bite into it. Be polite. Chew with your mouth. Don't talk to your phone.
So good. It tastes like this, like for real. Taste it.
I don't care for fudge.
It doesn't taste like fudge.
I don't care for fudge. I appreciate you wanting to share. I really do.
What does it look like?
I want to see if I can do a magic spell.
Do you remember them?
Yeah.
What was the one in Gringotts?
You're going to subscribe Roni. That works, right?
No. It might. Subscribe below. Chocolate. Milk chocolate. Sweet. What does it taste like?
Tastes like chocolate.
Guys, there's a cauldron. Do you know why?
Hey guys, so since we're here just hanging out at the 3 broomsticks, I thought I'd get the menu for you. So they do have some cool little items for breakfast, and it doesn't say how much it is, but looks pretty cool. And then on the other side is your lunch and dinner options. Here you go, Hope. They do it now.
You better go get in line.
I know. I think they're about to close it.
Okay, let's go.
Amber.
It was so much better at night.
Amazing.
We'll have to show you it. I couldn't film it. I was trying to, but I'm out of rep class. We'll try to do it again, but we'll show you guys what it looks like now at nighttime. It's so much better.
Oh.
So much better.
Oh, they got the fireworks over there too.
Yeah. We waited what, an hour and a half? Yeah.
No.
Almost 2 hours?
2.5. Oh my goodness.
We're going to show you guys. Look, there's one coming.
Is there?
I think. So much better at night.
Being in the first row as it goes all the way to the vertical.
It's higher. Whoa.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Look at the lights.
So cool. We were in the first row.
Yeah.
And hi. And there's a spot where it goes straight up. Yeah. Your heart stops for a second. And then you do a free fall backwards.
Oh, the drop though? Oh god, it's so
Every
good.
time.
It's so good.
Oh.
Front row was amazing.
This was, yeah, I love this ride.
I'm gonna try to record next time.
At least it didn't break down on us like it was breaking down.
It broke down twice when we were in line. Like it said it was an hour and a half long, and then we ended up waiting 2.5 hours. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, they're still working out the kinks, but I think they'll get it.
And there's no express, there's only single riders and then the regular line. And then just go down to here. And there's even brake lights.
Huh?
Did you see there's brake lights?
Yeah. So what school do you belong to at Hogwarts? Go up here, one of the two, and then you can actually, you can say which one you're at.
I'm getting tired, that's a long day.
That's actually pretty cool. That's not full moon.
Look at the Jurassic Park cake.
Oh wait, are we getting back into Jurassic?
Oh, the fire's not on though.
Ever-flowing river. Come with us now to the time before that, when the river flowed through a newborn world, and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Are one of the largest creatures ever to walk the earth. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us. With their curious, parrot-like beaks, are the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs, a group of herbivores that includes Protoceratops and the mighty Triceratops. Great armored dinosaurs can often be found among the geothermal formations of Stegosaurus springs, and the armor plating and spiked tails protect these herbivores from savage predators of their native period. Jurassic Park scientists provide our herbivores with plenty of vegetation from their native periods, ensuring long, healthy lives for these magnificent animals. Next up on our tour is Hadrosaur Cove.
So even though we didn't get a chance to go into the VIP lounge for annual passes, we were able to get the pins. It says, "Time the ever-flowing river."
When dinosaurs walk the earth. That's pretty cool. So you guys get them here.
Yep, at the, I think it's called the Betty Boot.
If you miss out on getting them at the lounge, that's only open from 11 to 4, you can come over here and get them.
Yep. So it's right across the street from the Comic Strip Cafe. So we're on our way back to the car, I think. The park is closed.
About closed.